Everybody, it's Gary here from SaferWholesale.com, and today we have the GVX UTV utility vehicle, and today we have, what's your name?
Kayla.
And Kayla, what are we doing here today?
We're putting on the windshield on our GVX.
Okay, so how do we do that?
All right, you're gonna take this.
Okay, so first explain what do we have here. We've got the windshield here. Now you have your mirrors, right?
Right.
And then you're gonna go ahead and make sure that you've got your little notch here, you got your mirror there, and you make sure you've got what? This is coming out, sticks out there, and then on the bottom you've got your, your glass there, your beveled glass that's gonna come down. Next, what do you do?
You're gonna take the Velcro and you're gonna wrap it around the pole,
Okay.
and then you're gonna put it in this little loop thing
Through the loop.
and kind of squeeze it through.
It always helps if you have a holder there holding on the windshield a little bit. Can you see?
Not really.
And so sometimes it may take you a second, but once again, it's all Velcro, so there you go. Check it out.
And then wrap
What,
it
pull
around
it? Okay.
and Velcro.
Okay,
And
now
bam.
you got what? How many of them? Total? 6. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And here we go, we got the mirror. Now they're not always gonna have this mirror. And once again, I'll come around the other side just so we can see. And we do have our handy helper over here just holding the windshield on to give you guys a little bit of information. So there you go. And see the third one? Pretty quick and easy. And there you have it, right? Now you do the same thing on the other side. Now there you go. It took a total of 3 minutes. Kayla, I think we're good. We don't have to give them any more info, but
Okay.
what do you think? Pretty easy?
Pretty easy.
Even a girl can do it?
Even a girl could do it like myself.
That's it. Sounds good. Give us a call if you guys are looking for one. We ship them nationwide. Toll free 866-606-3991.
At SaferWholesale.com.
There you go.